Write a program to find the sum of n natural numbers. Right. Write a program to find sum of n natural number. Right. So what is the formula for to find the natural numbers, n natural numbers? Right. Let's go through program. Right. First of all, I need to take a variable name, that is number here. Integer because it is digit. I need to read the digit first. So for that, I am going with integer data type, and the variable name is number. Next, ask the question printf. What you need to ask? Enter a number,
Number.
and after that you need to read that number.
Scan.
How to read that number?
Scanner.
Percentage. Percentage.
It is you. You are
D.
person.
Percentage D. You're not practicing, guys. మీరు practice చేయాలి,
Percentage.
right? So percentage D for to read the number and ampersand number. So we have read it successfully the number. Now what is the formula? Number equal to number into number plus
Plus
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
This is the formula. After that, you need to print the sum from n natural numbers. If I enter 10, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus like that, all numbers you need to add. Finally, you will get output, right? So sum equal to percentage D, comma. Where is the result? Result is in number. So number. So here when we apply the formula, it will do process and the result will be, we'll get the result. That result will be stored in the number. So we are printing that result here. And after that, at last, return 0. Now run the program. Now I am entering 10. See, am I getting the output as